Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to transfer money from Monzo Bank to other banks. So first we're going to go to our browser. So next we're going to type in Monzo Bank. So next we're going to click in on the link. So as you can see, this is their official web page. We're going to have to sign up or log in for us to access it. As you can see, there are a lot of options on their web page. So next we're going to click on the sign up button. Then we're going to sign up. So once we are logged in, this is the page that's going to be presented. So next we're going to click on the payment section. Then next we're going to click on the pay button. Then pay by bank transfer. Then we're going to click on continue payment. Then we're going to write in the type of account, the account number, and all the codes needed. Then click on next step. And we're going to write the amount we want to transfer, then confirm payment. So as you can see, it's already done. We've transferred the money. I hope you like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.